Hey everyone, this is Larry Jones with SITECH-INDIANA, and today I'd like to show you a video on how to create an arc from line segments along a curve if you weren't provided an arc, and how to create a radius point from the arc so if you need to lay that out. So first let's go ahead and zoom in on an area that has some arcs, and we can see right here the blue line is representing the back of curb, the red line is face curb. And if we zoom in even closer, you can see that these are line segments. It's not one arc. So we can create an arc. To do that, go up to the top left menu button, go down to COGO, go to Create Points, Arcs, and if we're not sure what the icons on the left do, you can always go to the question mark over on the right side. And this is where we read through what each icon is, and we want to create arc. Now it's going to ask us start point. Well, start point would be the start or end of the curve, and then end point will be the end of the curve. And then to enter the radius, we could enter radius in, or we could just click on the line, and right there it's telling us that's a 4.5 foot radius. Right now it's automatically naming it circle 4. That's just fine, we can leave it there as default. Hit accept. This is where you could extract from point and enter the elevations, or ignore elevations. We're just going to ignore the elevations. Hit accept. And now we're going to leave this COGO screen, and we're going to click and hold, and right there circle 4, and there it's selected. So we have successfully created an arc. So let's unselect it. Now let's create a radius point so we can lay that out in the field. So same thing, upper left side menu button, go down to COGO, Create Points, Arcs, and we'll go ahead and just hit the question mark again to look at, see what the icons mean. And we want radius point. So here it tells us tap the arc. Tap it, and it's saying the 4.5 foot radius. Accept. And this, we want to either do a measure point or a stakeout point. We're going to be staking this out, so let's do a stakeout point. Point name, you can name it whatever you want. We're just going to leave this one at 3000. And point code, we can label it what it is. We're going to say R equals 4.50 feet. Say accept. And now we have successfully created a radius point for this arc, so you can lay it out in the field with a stake if you needed to. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.